What happens to my driver's license after a DUI arrest? After you're arrested for DUI, the police will generally take away your driver's license from you and give you a pink piece of paper that's a temporary license. That temporary license will be valid for 30 days. After 30 days, your license will be automatically suspended unless you request an Administrative Per Se hearing with the DMV. That's the only way to stop an automatic suspension. If you don't request a hearing, your license is suspended automatically. If you get convicted of a DUI or you lose the Administrative Per Se hearing with the DMV, then you could have your license suspended for a period of time. And there's things you can do to get your license back or your driving privilege back in the interim. If you refuse to take a chemical test, the DMV can take your license for a whole year. You do not have the opportunity to get a temporary license or a restricted license. That can be very difficult to deal with. If you're convicted of a DUI, when you're put on probation, if you drive without a valid license or you drive when your license is suspended, you can be charged with a misdemeanor of driving on a suspended license. And that would cause your license to be suspended for even longer and will often require you to put an IID in your car, and some of these statutes require mandatory jail time. So you might not get jail time on your DUI, but driving on a suspended license may require you to be in jail for 5 or 10 days or longer. The courts and the legislature have decided that the DMV controls your driving privilege. It's not considered a right, so they can decide whether or not to take it from you, and it's all in a civil procedure separate and apart from court. You could be stopped for a DUI, refuse to take a chemical test, and the court can never file charges against you or the prosecutor, and they can still suspend your license for 1 year. Because that has nothing to do with what happens in court. I would definitely recommend getting a lawyer within the first 10 days of your arrest so they can request the hearing and protect your rights.